up, fight fans? Jesse the Ghost Bros.
I'm Showdown Joe Ferraro.
I'm Jack Bateman, president of W1 MMA.
Hi, this is Dennis Kang.
This is Will Moore.
I'm Sean Pearson.
Hi, I'm Albert Meady, 9th degree black belt.
This is Showtime. My name's Clint Kingsbury.
I'm Joe Arco, host of Training with Pros.
You're with the coach.
And you're watching CanadianProfighter.com.